Hey everyone, Michael Olesen here. About 2 years ago when I retired, I knew that I'd be able to keep busy, but I also knew that I needed to find a mission. Well, I found one. And I have a love story to tell you about a husband and wife team in northern Guatemala that is changing the lives of the people of that region. I want to raise funds for this amazing couple to continue the fine work that they're doing to what others might seem like an impossible task. And it was around 20 years ago that Mario and Suzanne Babarcy purchased 300 acres of land in an area of Guatemala called Peten. It's about 2 hours south of Mexico. Their property is literally in the middle of the jungle, but it's also an area that's known for its Mayan ruins, the amazing rivers and lakes. And in 1998, they formed a US-based Christian organization called Hearts in Action. And the goal of the organization is to help the children of the area with education that they otherwise might not have available to them. 8 years ago, to support this work, Hearts in Action founded Itzawood. And the goal was for Itzawood to create a source of income to support their school and their education projects, and also provide highly skilled jobs to the local workers. An important aspect of Itzawood is its ability to give local workers a way to stay in their community instead of looking to immigrate north. They employ roughly 30 people, and all of the profits of Itzawood goes right back to the foundation. I was fortunate enough to receive an invitation to brainstorm with the workers as they look to expand their product line into furniture making. And while I was there, I shared some of my modern furniture design and building techniques, and together we made a couple of prototype benches that may become part of their future sales. I was able to contribute what I'm doing with my modern, up-to-date workshop, and it frustrated me that these hard-working, skilled craftsmen struggle to work with their equipment every day. They do endless workarounds with this equipment and spend most of their time trying to fix the equipment, let alone actually do their work. And what amazed me mostly about these people, with the terrible equipment that they have, is that they produce some of the finest woodworking I have ever seen. And so I vowed to them that I would help raise the funds for them to buy quality industrial equipment for their work that they're doing in Guatemala. I estimate that the equipment will cost roughly $20,000 to buy the equipment in the United States. And by comparison, in Guatemala, this equipment costs at least 4 times the cost as it is here in the United States. So buying equipment here in the United States is the best option and the best way for us to help these people help themselves in their endeavors to produce some of the finest woodworking that I've ever seen. And I hope that you can see the value in helping Hearts in Action in their mission to help people help themselves. It's an astounding what they've done here in Guatemala, and I'm aiming to help them as best as I can. And I hope that you'll join me in my quest in this effort. I have secured funding from the local St. Paul Rotary, and I've donated some equipment to them, which they were grateful to receive. But there's a lot more that needs to be done. And as I left, I was reminded that I believe that I received more from them than I could ever give back to them. And so I'm hoping that you'll join me in this quest in helping these people help themselves and for them to sustain their future. As I think about it, I know this: I'm going back. And I hope you'll join me in this journey in getting them the quality equipment that they need. Thank you so much for your time. If you're writing a check, make a note in the note section. Itzawood Workshop. For the website, in the note section, do the same. Itzawood Woodshop. Thanks.